technology. And
alright, so we're figuring out this Chromecast thing.
And the device that the author, Robert Scanaway, used was to pick a kid out of the audience and with the who was in fact a performer, but it was to seem like it was a random choice. And because of various plot contrivances.
Did you pick a video?
No.
Oh, is it
What is this?
She was told
I haven't actually ran the YouTube app on this before, so.
Oh, are you?
I'm trying to figure out what it is.
So if you click the Chromecast button, does WiiU come up?
I'm trying to. It's currently on the big TV. I'm trying to switch it to this.
Oh, can you do that with the Wii Pad without switching?
Yes, if I can. Normally there's a button for it, but it's not showing up.
Do you mind if I switch over to...
No, don't.
Oh.
I'm not trying to figure it out.
Yeah, ideally you shouldn't need the TV at all.
Yeah, but this is Nintendo we're talking about here.
I know, but I want to... What happened?
It froze.
Well, you won't be able to control from the Wii or the PS3.
No.
No, we're trying to get that to
Phone to this.
Chromecast onto that. Which would
But
be pretty...
I just white screened again. It does
Oh.
sometimes.
Oh yeah, it's glitchy, isn't it? So just restart the console.
Like, you gotta do it hard. You have to unplug it. It won't. You can't shut it down. The thing is, sometimes it'll pick itself up after like 2 or 3 minutes.
Do you want me to do it?
I want to give it like 2 minutes to see.
Probably a bad idea.
It does this. It fixes itself.
You're not gonna let me record anything, are you?
You're a bad person, Devin.
I am a bad person.
And he picks her out. He says, "Here, take this and don't say a word." And then he runs up on stage, and he's confronted by
Okay.
the evil general.
I don't know. What are we watching?
What
again?
is this?
It's a weird stage show about like Lucasfilm, like combining all elements of like films that he's made.
You mean the DC universe?
The Lucas universe.
But it's Marvel owns all.
Oh, did it start loading again?
Yeah. It fixed itself again. It just reset itself.
Okay.
And Will is discovered out in the house, and he goes over here and he runs and he grabs the girl, pulls her out, and brings her up on stage, and she's got a baby, and that's the baby that the evil queen and Willow wants. And then he brings her up on stage, and then suddenly they are visited by this fairy that appears.
PS4 for sex response. The fans respond. No, hold
Now
on.
switch the screen.
Yeah, I'm gonna. Let's try that one. No.
I thought you said
that
you never
one.
launched that app. Why is there stuff that's catered to you on it?
I think it's catered to gaming.
Or you
Unless
to Dorman?
is it attaching to a Google account perhaps already, even though I haven't launched before?
Maybe.
Okay, why is search?
Oh no, it's gaming stuff because it's the Wii. Okay. That would make sense.
Even though there's been nothing but the Wii U.
Oh no, there's Rev 3 games on there. I don't think they're...
I think it's attached to my account somehow.
Maybe. So, can you switch it to the little screen? Did it freeze again?
Yes.
Is there a way to, like, can you run the Wii without even having an HDMI, or the Wii U without having an HDMI cable plugged in?
Yeah.
Like, if it doesn't plug in, will it just automatically default to that screen?
No, just like waiting for a TV to be plugged in.
That...
The thing is most things do have a little icon up here to let you switch it.
But there isn't a button on the actual physical device that switches?
Nope.
I wonder if you did something on the Wii U.
On
the TV.
Set pieces, these numbers.
We're gonna have to switch over to fix it, I think.
Indiana Jones.
Well, now
starts
it's
at a
got a hard
nightclub,
lock. It's actually
Club
fixed.
Obi-Wan.
Yeah, but we're...
And from the film, we saw that it was
Okay,
quite
so
an
mine
elaborate
is
set.
recording. I
Very,
can't control this from...
very complicated.
You'll have to,
And
Oh,
the
hey,
set
do it.
for the stage
Oh, good.
was this big
Fix
red
itself.
dragon mouth.
Okay, can we
arms
switch the
and
TV so he can mess with it?
Go for it.
Okay, sure.
Okay, is this one?
That's the receiver.
It's this one right here.
Oh. Do it! Oh, that Chromecast.
Actually, wait.
No.
No.
No, it's connected to the box, right?
Yeah. This was back to one.
You don't tell me what to do.
Oh,
So that stupid thing down there?
Yeah.
Hate those things. They're like the most retarded thing to set up ever.
There you go. No, that's you.
Yeah.
That's the Wii U.
It looks exactly like the PS4 one, or the
Wii U?
PS3 one.
Yeah,
PS4. Why?
Oh, it does.
Is there an option to switch screens, or does Google force it to be on the TV?
My gamepad's off though.
Turn it back on.
Yeah, turn it back on.
It's still locked where it's at.
Excellent.
Unplug the Wii U. There's supposed to be another software update at the end of the month. It's supposed to be like the final big software update to finally fix the Wii U.
Until like 2 months from now, there's that one.
Yeah, pretty much.
So Nintendo's not that fast. More like 5 or 6 months.
Maybe next year. It's almost as bad as Valve time. Oh, that blue screen.
Funny story about how out of touch Nintendo kind of is. Like a producer at Nintendo talked about like how he came up with the idea of like the Street Pass Relay feature. Is he actually went to New York, like even in Times Square, he was like surprised. Wow, I'm getting hardly any Street Passes here.
It's like, yeah.
And hence we make the auto street passing home pass thing.
Did you get that thing working again?
Oh yeah, I got it working. It was working fine before. I just had to go in and run the script. Like, because when you unplug the little wireless dongle, it kills all the host APD daemon. So, but no, I got it working again. And then I'm intentionally keeping it unplugged because I'm kind of worried, since it's not encrypted. The only thing I have protecting it, ironically, is MAC address filtering. Oh, the irony.
Well, if it's a whitelist, shouldn't that be pretty well solid?
Yeah, it's a whitelist, but the thing is I'm spoofing MAC addresses to make one of those Nintendo's own Street Pass things, right?
Yeah.
Like, that's all you have to do is spoof the MAC address and the SSID. Why can't someone else spoof their MAC address to match mine? Any one of my devices connecting to it.
Well, they would still have to get onto your Wi-Fi network to find out your MAC address, right?
No, you can sniff packets. Like, I don't think the MAC address is encrypted.
Is there an option?
Although I don't know much about the standards, so I'm kind of talking out my ass right now.
I'm looking at all these
Spoofing
chat
MAC address is technically illegal.
No.
It's not.
No, most routers can do it. Because okay, so when you have an internet service provider that requires you to have a specific MAC address from your modem, and your router's the one doing the talking, oftentimes you'll have to clone that MAC address, aka spoofing your own modem's MAC address, to be able to successfully connect and get internet. Because as dumb as it is, they do use MAC addresses to determine which of the modems get internet sometimes. There was actually a really big thing where someone was... It depends, I guess, what you're doing it for. Because if you spoof the MAC address to do something illegal, then it's illegal to do. But if you do it for other reasons, it's fine. And there's a big thing I was reading about how...
Welcome to this live video interview for...
No, what is this?
that
This
is...
Started playing.
I
Out of
don't know.
nowhere.
I've got someone from Tested playing for some reason suddenly.
That's what he was doing. But no. Anyway, this guy was helping people spoof MAC addresses of modems to get free internet. I think off of Charter or something. I don't remember who it was. Some other internet service provider, or maybe it was Comcast or someone.
Remove myself from the PS3.
Okay, go to the Chromecast button.
Yep. Okay.
Okay, and then click phone. No, tap it. Or press and hold, I guess. That's interesting. Well, it went gray. See, when it's gray like that, you're removed.
Okay, good. So now I want it, and now it's blue, so I'm connected, but probably to the PS3 again.
Yeah. Well, if you tap it, there should be a drop down list.
Yeah, and if the Wii U isn't...
Yeah. No, you have to tap it, like short tap. What the hell? Well, no, because I got an option when I was doing my Chromecast on my YouTube app. It was like phone or Sony PS3.
Yeah, same one here. It says iPad or PS3.
I've not had an option. Mine just always says PS3 only.
Well, check the Google Store for updates.
I just installed 30 seconds ago.
Oh, well.
Chromecast.
Not that,
I
but
know, but I'm
yes.
just checking to see if it has an update, because it'll check for an update when I run the program.
But you don't even have to have it installed. It's built into YouTube now.
That button was never there for me on YouTube before I had to install it.
Oh.
I checked because I'm like curious what Chromecast was, and mine wasn't built in. So I had to download this, which does nothing except for add the button into those 3 programs.
Yeah.
Progress is not supported on this thingy.
Yeah. Okay, something that was really frustrating for me, actually. So you can't drop that. Okay, that sucks. But, what was it? There's an app called Cheapcast that some guy was working on. I think he gave up on it because Google said they might be releasing the API for Chromecast. But basically, what it was supposed to do is let you turn your phone or your tablet or whatever into a Chromecast receiver, like the PS3 is. Mm-hmm. And so Chromecast works in 2 different ways. It has the traditional VNC video streaming kind of thing, and then it has all it's doing is telling YouTube, the YouTube app on the PS3, to play something. So it's also a remote control. So they use the first one to stream the video over, and I was thinking some people have already done it, but before I saw other people do it, I'm like, you know what? I want to set up like a ghetto NVIDIA Shield so I can play on my bed or on the toilet with like a WiiU Pro controller or something.
Oh god, this is amazing.
What's amazing?
It doesn't let you shoot in portrait mode.
Can't you rotate?
Yeah, it forces you to record in landscape.
Oh.
Like,
oh,
if it's there, it is.
It doesn't even. Apple. Why do you even own an iDevice?
This is the Google app. This is the YouTube recording capture app.
Well,
Same
why?
that you're running.
I'm not using that. I'm using the stock Android camera. What the hell is wrong with you?
He's trying to be like corporate. He's going with the popular application to use.
3Edgy 5U.
I don't even see a button to do this with the Netflix.
Launch. Oh, you're in the Netflix app already.
I don't think it connects, but I'm just curious. But I only.
It's supposed to, but I'm trying to remember how you're supposed to do it. I think you're only able to do it from PC to the Chromecast dongle.
Suddenly recommending I watch Trigun. I agree.
Go to the Netflix app on there. Is your Netflix app updated on the iPad?
Yeah.
See if that allows the Chromecast.
I have a hunch it won't work on the Wii U, though.
Oh, yeah. Wii U, yeah, Nintendo's kind of derp there. And I'm guessing this isn't going to work on the Xbox 360 either.
According to this, I've recently been watching Mad Men. I don't think I have.
Well, there is no, like, options menu. Or, like...
There's no... If you go into a video, it doesn't say Chromecast or anything?
No, yeah, I just tried on my phone.
But like in the video description, can you go into the video description?
Let's see what happens. Are you still recording?
Yeah, I'm gonna record all this and put it on YouTube.
That's so lame.
It is.
Are you lame, Devin?
Because that's what I do. That's just what I do. Ken. See. No, that's episodes. What is. Nope. So, no Chromecasting options on the iPad yet.
Well, for Netflix.
For Netflix, yeah. I don't know. I think it's strictly from PC to the dongle, or anything to the dongle.
Yeah.
But.
Or he just doesn't know how to do it.
Or that.
Or you shut your mouth.
Yeah,
Well, your recording makes me think I'm some sort of hip YouTube star now. God damn it.
You
I feel
could.
like I'm better than I actually am.
Well, you know that happens. Like, whenever I start talking on camera, I feel like I have to say certain things just because there's going to be people watching.
That's because you don't talk to other people very often.
Actually, I talk to people more often than you believe. I work in customer service. But then again, I kind of have to put on a mask there, too. Okay, so I guess Chromecasting is quite limited at the moment, so...